Here's another experiment I was trying here in my backyard. I don't have a lot of space. It's mostly, bricks. And so what I did is I laid down some plastic, as you can see. Lay down some plastic, and then I decided to just simply cut open a small hole on the plastic like that so that the plant can go through. This is thick leaf callaloo, and then this is some bora growing up on the branch there. This is some eggplant, and here I have some Swiss chard, and these are growing just on the space between the brick and the plastic. See, so we're maximizing the use of the small space that we have. Here is an eggplant as well, and it's got a little, if you look there closely, it's got a small baby eggplant coming up. So looking forward to getting a lot of produce from this small space. This is a squash growing up there on the makeshift harbor that I built, and looking forward to getting lots of produce here this year. Just try this experiment for the first time, and it looks like it's working out fairly nicely.